Let's make delicious, make ahead, no dripping gravy, starting with 2 tablespoons of bacon fat for extra smoky, salty flavor, 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour, depending on how thick you like it. Stir that flour in really well and let it cook for a minute to get rid of that raw flour flavor. Then switch to a whisk and begin adding liquid. Stir in your liquid. I'm using chicken broth, and notice how I'm just pouring in a little bit at a time. I'm using a whisk and I'm constantly whisking. Then I pour in a little bit. I wait for it to thicken and become nice and smooth. There's a lot of stirring going on here. A little bit more stirring, and wait for it to thicken and be smooth before adding more of your liquid. Do this in stages and repeat, leaving lots of time in between to really let that sauce thicken and become smooth. Take your time in between each pouring. I've sped it up in this video, but I do take my time. Now add your aromatics. I'm adding sage and rosemary, a little bit of black pepper, and here comes a tablespoon of soy sauce. Watch the color transform right away. That is umami flavor at its finest. A little bit of acid. I'm choosing just a hit of red wine. Taste test along the way, see what you might be missing. I decided a little garlic powder and a little Worcester. And stir, turn down the heat, let that simmer. Just let it do its thing. The flavors will concentrate, including that salty flavor. So notice I haven't added the salt. After a good 20 minutes or so of simmering on low heat, I remove my greens, taste test, and yep, I do need a little bit of salt. Only add a little bit at a time. You can always add more. It's really hard to take out. And then I do strain it, whether it's flour lumps or black pepper lumps. You want to get it nice and silky smooth. There it is. Oh yeah, over the potatoes. There it goes, over the chicken. Oh yeah. That's what I like. Beautiful, smooth, delicious, flavorful gravy. Enjoy.